Hello, in this video I would like to show you how to upgrade this 12.1-inch CCFL 12.1-inch sharp screen from 2 CCFL to our newest LSR series. LSR series is really bright, and it comes with the L-strip already mounted L-sharp reflectors, drivers, 6-pin pigtails. It's very easy. Okay, let's see, set aside. Okay, first thing, you need to remove the screw. Okay, it's right here holding the reflectors. We don't, when you if your application needs to be sunlight, I mean work in an outdoor environment, LSR series is the way to go. Just unscrew it, grab the wire, pull it out. See this? We don't need to use this anymore because LSR is so easy. You know, you just slice right back, same thing, tilt up a little bit, you know, tilt up a little bit, so make sure that slice all the way in. Okay, see that? If you want to, you can add a piece of tips to secure the wires. You don't need to put a screw because there's no mountings. So basically, you just connect to either end. It's done. So let's take a look how bright it is. I have my tester here that we can check it out, the brightness level. Okay, I have one wire harness, which is, well, to connect this one is quite simple. Okay, it's same thing like the UB series. Red is for positive, black is for negative, white adjustment, usually no connection, yellow is enable. You need to apply anywhere between 3 to 5 volts. All right, so in this case, we just want to see the difference. How bright is it? So I have my tester here, so I'm gonna fire up. So this one have 800 by 600 resolution. Let me set it aside here so make sure you can see it. All right, let's get our meters. Same meters. Okay, let me get rid of this lights. All right, wow, it's really bright. Okay, so let's measure it, see what is it. $2,077 nits. 2,003 nits. 1,091 nits. So wow, it was a big difference. Remember, this is the old screen. You know, the old screen, it's, let me shut it off first. It's a sharp LQ121S1LG61. LQ121S1LG61. All right, you see the difference. Thanks for watching.